Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Yamaha turns heads with new racer kit for XSR900. So make sure to watch the full video. Ever since Yamaha debuted the XSR900 back in 2016, it ushered in a new era of custom bikes. Stylized to look like a cafe racer, the XSR900 brought modern-day sport bike performance in a package that looked perfectly at home, parked in a cafe on a Sunday morning. Now, more than half a decade later, the 2023 XSR900 impresses with even more tech, while retaining its retro-inspired styling. To make things even better, Yamaha has introduced a special retro kit just for the XSR900 exclusively in Europe. It's simply called the Racer, and as you'd expect, it gives the XSR900 a retro racer aesthetic, drawing inspiration from the racing machines of the 1980s. This kit comprises two key components, a sporty headlight cowl and a seat cowl, both of which contribute to the overall retro-inspired aesthetic of the bike. One of the standout features of the XSR900 racer kit is the sporty headlight cowl. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this component captures the essence of vintage Yamaha motorcycles. It emulates the iconic design elements that made Yamaha bikes renowned in the past, evoking a sense of nostalgia and classic style. Yamaha has announced that the retro kit for the XSR900 will be conveniently accessible for purchase both online and at Yamaha's official distributors in Europe, starting in June 2023. This means that XSR900 owners will have the opportunity to easily acquire and install the retro kit, transforming their motorcycles into stylish throwbacks to Yamaha's iconic machines of the past. In addition to the retro kit, Yamaha is also offering a range of additional accessories to further enhance the XSR900's performance and customization options. One notable accessory is the Acropovic exhaust system, which not only adds a touch of style but also enhances the bike's overall sound and power delivery. The Acropovic exhaust is renowned for its high-quality craftsmanship and performance, providing XSR900 riders with an exhilarating and satisfying riding experience. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.